Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? He plus B, he B. G plus B's, GB's, heebie-jeebies. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. Let me introduce our players. On the right, the lady who has won a holiday in beautiful Lake Tahoe. Her name is Terry Melton, and we're delighted to have her back with us today. Good luck to you. Let's say hello to your opponent. His name is Frank Roche.
That's right, Frank.
Hiya,
Roche.
Frank. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois.
Yeah. Beautiful city.
Yeah.
Are you living and working here now in Southern California?
I live and work in Southern California.
Doing what?
I'm director of operations for a private gymnastics club.
I see. Keeping people in shape, huh?
Yeah, we try. Well, kids.
Oh, that's even better. Start them young. Ready to play?
I sure am.
Good luck. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of the prizes in this first game today.
You can have 1,000 California lottery tickets where you have a chance to win thousands more, or you can have $1,000 in cash. Alex.
I don't know which I'd take, but it's a good prize. Frank and Terry, look on the board. Remember where you saw it. 1,000 California lottery tickets at number 1. Also a holiday in the Poconos in this game. Frank, you get to go first.
Okay, Alex, let's see. I'd really like to have those 1,000 lottery tickets, so I'm going to look for the match under 18.
1-8 for his and her leather attachés.
Okay, let's see if we can match it under number 9.
Belgian waffler, no match. Terry?
I'd love to go to the Poconos, and I'm going to look for that trip under number 17.
Limited edition artwork.
Look for the match for that under number 5.
Limited edition artwork is a match. Terry makes the first match. Terry gets the first look at the puzzle. What little we'll show you in these two squares. And it is just a little bit indeed. Terry, go again.
I'm going to see what that bottom corner holds under number 21.
Handcrafted area rug.
A rug would be wonderful. Let's look for the match under number 6.
1,000 California lottery tickets.
Okay.
Frank?
Well, I wanted those lottery tickets. Let's start with number 6.
6 it is.
And the match for 1.
Number 1. One on top of the other. It shouldn't reveal too much of the puzzle, but it's a good prize to have in your column for the time being. Let's open the panels for Frank. Try it again, Frank.
Yes, okay. Let's look for something good under number 25.
Compact disc player. That's something good.
Okay, let's see if we can get a match under 23.
Nope. There's that Poconos Mountain Vacation. Terry.
There's my trip. Okay, let's see what's on number 10.
Wild card.
I'd like number 23, please.
23 for the vacation in the Poconos. The other holiday at number 11. And so 3 panels will swing open for this young lady. Let's do it now. Go again.
Let's see, dead center number 13.
Dead center's a red tape.
A red take would be nice. I'd like that. How about number 3?
No, that's the green take. Frank.
Okay, let's see if we can find one of those takes for that trip. I'm going to look under number 24.
Wild card.
All right.
Where are you going to go now?
I think we'll go with right dead center, 13. Take the take.
13 for the red take. The other red take, which we did not uncover a few moments ago, is at number 4. You can use it now, or you can save it, Frank. You know the drill.
I think I will take it.
All right.
Take it now.
And
The Poconos.
The Poconos. I thought you might. The holiday goes on to Frank's prize column, and we take a look at the puzzle with these 2 panels opening up. 3 panels, rather. Right again.
Okay, let's start with number 14. Handcrafted rug, and the match for that under number 21.
21? Yes, it is. Another prize for our challenger. Another look, too. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 7? And the match with the compact disc player under number 25.
That is right, yes. Terry's not enjoying this, folks. She's lost her holidays in the Poconos, even though there is the green take still in play. Let's see what happens now, though, for Frank. Pick again.
Don't know guess. Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Exercise bikes for 2.
And I'm going to take a wild guess at number 20 for the match.
Diamond and ruby ring. No match. Terry, you're in it again.
That ring sounds nice, and so does that take. Let's try number 15.
Wild card. Now, the green one is up there. I'll tempt you with this. You
don't
might
need
remember.
To tempt me. Number 3 is what I want.
Number 3 is what you want. The green take is there. I thought you might want to think about that beautiful piece of jewelry. Let's show you the other green take. I'm going to hold on to it because I have a feeling you're going to use it immediately.
I think you've got a very good sense of discernment, and I would like that trip to the Poconos.
Poconos, coming back to Terry. And can she solve the puzzle to enjoy the vacation? Let's take a look together. Go again.
Let's try number 2.
Diamond and ruby ring.
And number 20.
Gonna remember that one, aren't we? Diamond and ruby ring. Another chance for Terry. Do it. Pick again.
Oh, gosh. Let's see number 12.
His and her leather attaches.
And number 18.
That's a match. 2 more doors opening up. Pick again. One more match will do it, Terry. You'll clear the entire puzzle.
Gracious. Number 8.
Exercise bikes
Number
for 2.
16.
Exercise bikes for 2. So that prize will go into Terry's column. We'll open those 2 doors, and then we will show you 9 and 22. The Belgian waffler coming your way also. Great payoff if you solve the puzzle, Terry. Can you do it now? Frank, can you solve this puzzle?
Let's see. Crack cage tree?
Is it crack cage tree? No, it is not. All right, hands on your signaling buttons, and I'm going to assist you. This is one of those unique puzzles in which one symbol does double duty as the tail end of one word and the beginning of another. We have the arrows in the first symbol pointing at the crack, and then we have cage, and we have a tree there, but it's a specific kind of tree. If you look at the bottom, you'll be able to identify it. Put them all together. Crack cage, crack edge, crack-a. And what kind of a tree is that? Terry.
Crack a joke.
Is it crack a joke? You didn't see the acorns at the bottom?
I did that.
Maybe we'll get a closer look as you get to the big board. Go ahead, you explain it now.
Okay, there's the crack.
Move right in. That's
Crack
it.
in the ice, crack, cage, and oak tree. Crack a joke.
Crack a joke.
That
Yes,
was
the
tough.
cage. You see, the cage was doing that double duty. All right. Frank, 1 strike against you only. We'll see you in game number 2 in a little while. But right now, Terry's going to enjoy herself because she's got a lot of prizes coming her way. Gene, go for it.
Exercise bikes for 2, a Belgian waffler, his and her leather attaches. A service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select his and her leather attaches or other top name brands from our catalog. Or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And limited edition artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's nostalgic limited edition serigraph. Mulberry Street by Linnea Pergola. It's numbered and hand signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. And a diamond ruby ring. A gorgeous cocktail ring, 14-karat gold with 5 genuine round rubies and 8 round, full-cut, fine-quality diamonds. 0.20 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company. And a Poconos Mountain Vacation. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Newark. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Mount Airy Lodge in the Pennsylvania Poconos. You'll enjoy luxurious accommodations, gourmet dining, sports facilities, and a gala nightlife furnished by Mount Airy Lodge. And you have prizes, Terry, totaling $5,490.
Big win for you, Terry, and you got another chance to play for a brand new car right after this. Go. You'll recall that Terry likes to do her exercise to relieve the tension. She's not tense now, though. She's won $7,000 in prizes and gets a chance to win a brand new car.
Totally relaxed.
Totally relaxed?
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. This is your second time up here, so you're dealing with 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 14,
No.
1, 14,
Right.
11, 8,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
2, 10,
Yes.
3, 8,
No.
11, 3,
Yes.
6, 8,
Yes.
9, 10, 12,
No.
7, 15.
Did you have fun doing it?
Yeah, it was better than last time.
You did very, very well. The only advice I would give you is to speed it up if you get to the winner's circle again, and then I'm sure, all other things being equal, you'd have won a brand new car. But you've got the $7,000 in prizes, 2 great vacations, and you haven't even got one strike against you, so you're playing in at least 2 more games. We'll be back. Welcome back. You can see the strike against Frank, and that means this second game today is most important to him especially. There will just be 1 wild card, but we have some fabulous prizes. Here's an example.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, this elegant diamond bracelet is crafted in 14-karat gold and sparkles with 14 dazzling diamonds, making a bold and stylish fashion statement furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
And that beautiful piece of jewelry can be found on the board at number 21. This is the second game of the day, and that means we have the 5 bonus car seconds. We have the cash pot, and today that's worth $700. We also have a holiday in the Caribbean. And Frank, remember, 1 wild card only. You pick first.
Let's see if we can find that wild card, Alex, under number 5.
No, green take.
All right, let's see if the match for that would be under number 1.
5 bonus car seconds. Terry, over to you.
I'll take anything. Let's see what's under the middle at 13.
13. Anything? How about a red
That
take?
sounds great. I'm sure that'll come in handy. How about number 25?
No, cellular telephone. Frank.
I kind of like a cellular telephone. Let's look under number 20.
Elegant brass trunks.
Okay, I don't see any problem looking for the match under number 23.
Red take. Terry.
Let's see 13.
Red take.
And how about 23?
Red take. How about 23? Here it is. Save it for later. Open the panels for Terry.
That's a big help.
Go again.
Let's try number 17.
Cellular phone.
And number 25.
Cellular phone. That is correct. Another match for Terry. Another look at the puzzle. Pick again.
How about beautiful number 7?
5 bonus car seconds.
How about even more beautiful number 1?
I thought you might phrase it that way. Well. If Terry gets back to the winner's circle and she keeps the bonus car seconds, she would have 50 seconds in which to win a brand new car. How helpful are these 2 panels? Let's open them up and take a look. Go again.
Let's try number 2.
Radio and cassette recorder.
And look for a match under number 16.
No, that's a water filter system, so we'll go right over here to Frank.
Okay, looks like Terry took what I wanted, so we'll look for something new under number 8.
Cash pot.
And I'd like to have that. That'd be real nice. Let's look for the match under number 10.
No, elegant brass trunks.
Oh,
These are
goodness.
elegant trunks. It's tough to swim in them because they're brass and they kind of just drag you right down to the bottom of the water. But they are nice.
And the poor elephants they came from, God. Let's see number 20.
Elegant brass
And how about
trunks.
some more elephants under number 10?
You're weird.
Thank you.
What worries me is I am weirder.
That is scary.
More weird. All right, open these two panels for Terry Melton. Go again.
Goodness. Interesting. How about number 3?
Radio and cassette recorder.
Is that number 2?
Radio and cassette recorder. It was number 2. You may never get a chance to use this red tape. You may never let Frank into the game. Open it up for her. Let's take a look. Select again.
Oh, goodness. Let's see number 11.
Diamond bracelet.
Oh, that would be very lovely. Oh, goodness gracious. Number 21.
Yes, boy. I thought you were going to forget that.
My
We showed it
brain
to you
went-
at the beginning of the game. Your brain took a little
Went out
nap.
to lunch for a
But it
second.
worked for you. Here are the two panels opening up.
Is it bored to tears?
Looks like it's bored to tears, but Terry's not going to be bored to tears because she's just won the game. And a big payoff again, Terry. Somehow she doesn't look all that sorry.
No, win a
Come on,
car.
Terry. He wants you to win a car. He's a good sport.
Okay, it's the board, and then the 2, T plus ears, bored to tears.
That was good anticipation on your part because there wasn't all that much showing. A little bit of the board, but that could have been anything. And you didn't see the whole 2. But nicely done, Terry. Frank, unfortunately, 2 strikes against
yeah.
you. It just wasn't your day. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Lovely
Well,
gifts
good
for you
luck,
backstage,
Terry.
though. Take care. So long,
All right.
Frank. Another win for you. Another big win.
I know it.
And the
this is more fun the more you win.
You bet it
Anybody
is.
ever told
Gene,
you that?
tell her about it.
A radio and cassette recorder and elegant brass trunks. Rose Trunk Manufacturing Company's lovely collection of 3 lacquer-coated, brass-plated steel trunks with brass nailhead trim featuring decorative interiors, furnished by Rose Trunk Manufacturing Company, and a cellular phone. Gold Star's easy-to-use cellular phones go where you go. High-quality, rugged design and nearly 100 convenient functions in one package, furnished by Gold Star. And, of course, the beautiful diamond bracelet and the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes worth $2,755.
Now, I mentioned a few moments ago when you were standing here in the winner's circle and you came within 1 match of winning a brand new car that if you had a little more time or if you performed a little faster up here, you would win a brand new car. You just picked up 5 bonus car seconds, so that's got to make you feel...
I better do it or I'm going to really look brain dead after this.
No, I don't want you to feel the pressure, but I want you to enjoy the possibilities that are there for you. With the 5 bonus car seconds, the additional 5 seconds you picked up because you're here again, you're going to be 10 seconds shy of a minute, so you ought to win a brand new car. But first, we have to pay the rent with these commercials. I want to let you in on a little secret. During this commercial break, Terry did not do any of her relaxing exercises, no pressing of the fingers together, so obviously she feels very confident about winning a brand new car. So let's get to it. 15 numbered squares for the lady, 45 seconds on the clock, but you had the 5 bonus seconds, so we're up to 50. Good luck, Terry. Go for it.
1, 4,
No,
7, 10,
no,
13, 14,
no.
1, 14.
Yes,
11, 8,
no,
5, 2,
no,
13, 8,
yes,
3, 11,
no,
5, 6,
no,
9, 4,
yes,
12, 6,
yes,
15, 2,
no,
3, 5, 5, 15,
yep.
11.
You don't want to win a brand new car, do you?
No, I'm not ready yet. I just want to play some more.
Yeah, because you haven't lost any games, and you figure if I win a brand new car, I'm out of here. Why not stick around,
And I
play
miss you guys so much.
play a couple of games, build up my total. Right now, it's at $9,755, and it includes 2 fabulous vacations. And if you get back to the winner's circle, 55 seconds on the clock. But you're going to stretch it out. I know you, Terry. I know you. You played beautifully so far. Keep it going. We'll be back after this break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Imperial wall coverings to make a dramatic difference in your home. Choose from more than 57 collections, coordinating borders and wallpaper, furnished by Imperial Wall Coverings. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I want to turn my attention away from our champion, Terry Melton, for just a few moments and direct it towards this young lady here, a real trooper today. Marjorie looks a little different. She's had her hair combed differently and trimmed today, but also you're suffering. You're under the weather. You got one of these summer colds?
Yes, I have a cold.
Oh, and it's hanging on, and you've got sinus congestion,
Yes.
and you need pills and all of that?
I'm very sick today.
Would you like to take the week off?
Yes.
Take the rest of the week
Okay.
off. But you don't get paid
Can I go
for it.
now?
Yes, but you don't get paid. Goodbye. See y'all tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.